The World Health Organization is worried at the rapid rate the monkeypox virus is spreading around the world through new modes of transmission. This global outbreak has now been listed as a public health emergency of international concern. But in the same breath, the WHO's assessment is that the risk of monkeypox is moderate globally and in all regions except within the European region where the risk is high. In Abuja, we go out on the streets to get the level of awareness that residents have on monkeypox. We find Peter, who says he has come in close contact with someone living with the disease.
I've heard about it and I've seen someone with it. They just with some big pimples, bigger than pimples like this, but inside look watering somehow. So like chickenpox, but it's not chickenpox. This one is very strong also.
Other residents have slightly different views about what they know about monkeypox.
Monkeypox is now becoming a pandemic too, because it has been discovered about 70 countries in the world.
I don't really know much about it, but I know that it's a disease that is spreading so fast, but I don't know. But government should just try and do something about it.
I think the manner at which we sit in public transport can aid the transmission of the disease.
The World Health Organization has requested countries to use the International Health Regulations response, which remains a vital tool for responding to the international spread of diseases such as this.
It has been established that kinetic force alone is not enough in the fight against insurgency, as a win does not necessarily mean the number of insurgents killed, but the larger number that could repent. To get members of the group to repent requires other non-kinetic measures, such as strategic communication.
There was not a single Boko Haram.
A military expert at this event, drawing from his field experience, recommends the need for a national framework for the coordination of strategic communication as part of comprehensive counter-insurgency operations.
The kind of threats confronting us in Nigeria today has been tagged war amongst the people. The enemy is within the people. Within, I tell you. All the kidnapping you see, the enemy is within. Sometimes in your family, sometimes in your place of work. It's not written on anybody's forehead. Sometimes the people give the information deliberately. Sometimes it's not deliberate. The same way you are traveling, you divulge the information, not deliberately, somebody picks it. This is the challenge with war amongst the people. Very, very complex.
He wants the media to partner adequately with the military to achieve this strategic communication. The minister also acknowledged the complexity of communicating humanitarian issues.
A report by an online medium over the weekend alleged plots by northern members of the House to impeach Speaker Femi Gbajabiamila over the controversial National Water Resources Bill. But Tuesday plenary provided a good avenue for the Northern Caucus to refute the allegation. Leader of the caucus rose on a point of explanation and described the allegations as ill-conceived.
I wonder how a bill of a nature of a water bill will come and we decided on the basis of region, tribe, or religion. And water, I don't know the correlation between water and religion, or water and ethnicity, or water.
Whoever is thinking that this house is divided, we want to assure Nigerians that we are united, we are one in the spirit of our motto behind us. Joint task.
In another legislative effort, the House called on the government to prevail on the service providers to ensure that bad SIM cards do not work outside the borders of Nigeria. A motion on the need for Nigeria to fully embrace the Silencing the Guns 2030 roadmap in Africa by the African Union enjoyed maximum support from members. The agenda, which was hitherto fixed for 2020, seeks to ensure that Africa is characterized by peace, political tolerance, and good governance.
The House resolves to urge the Federal Ministry of Foreign Affairs to fully embrace the report and ensure relevant ministries, departments, and agencies key into this roadmap.